Hi, here's how you tie the mooring hitch. The mooring hitch is used to secure things like a boat from drifting off. When blimps land, they are secured to what's called the mooring mast. Well, here's how you do it. Take the working end and turn it around the pole, like this. Next, make an underhand loop with the working end. The underhand loop is when the working end is underneath the standing part. Now, take the other side and form a bight right next to the underhand loop. Now tuck the bight through the eye of the loop and then tighten. Next, take the remaining working end and make another bight. And then tuck this bight inside the first bight. And take the standing part and pull down. Then just tighten, and there you go. Here is the mooring hitch. The mooring hitch is fairly stable, but not 100%. The caveat is this end right here. Just one pull and the entire hitch is gone. So one way out of that is to simply tie a half hitch. Take the working end, put it through the loop, and then you tuck it back in on itself, and there you go. And for good measure, you could do it again and form two half hitches, and thus it's not going anywhere.